It's had grass and alfalfa and pasture on it for 25 years. And the soil may be dry right through, so I'm planning on a tough pull. I'd like to use this plow mainly because I think it'll cut the best, turn the soil the deepest, and I'm thinking I'm going to hook it up behind the 756 because that's sure to have enough power to pull it. It's a John Deere plow, but I don't mind. I remember it plowing really well when I was a kid. But you know, just cooperate, will ya? And these are carriage bolts. I'll probably replace them.